Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get mint weapons in Grounded. First, you'll need to venture into the upper yard to find fresh mints. These are crucial for crafting. Next, ensure you have a busting tool of at least level 2 to effectively break down the mints into usable chunks. Finally, head to any workbench to assemble your new, powerful mint weapon. It's a straightforward process for a great reward. To begin, you'll want to search for mints primarily around the ice cap mint container in the upper yard. These are distinct, bright green objects. Remember, you'll need a busting tool, like the Antlion pickaxe or a higher tier, to successfully break them apart. Aim to gather at least 5 mint chunks for the crafting recipe. Be cautious, as this area can be quite hazardous with larger insects. Once you have your 5 mint chunks, you'll also need a few other materials to complete the mint mace. Specifically, gather 5 pieces of tough gunk and 2 flower petals. With all these components in hand, simply head over to any workbench in your base or a field station. Select the mint mace from the crafting menu, and you're all set to create this formidable weapon, known for its fresh damage type. Your new mint mace is particularly effective against enemies vulnerable to fresh damage, such as those found in the sandbox or near the grill. To make it even stronger, visit a smithy to upgrade its level, increasing its raw damage and durability. You can also equip mutations that complement melee weapons or fresh damage for an extra boost. This weapon will be a valuable asset in your arsenal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.